Okay, welcome back to Class Ninjas. In today's video, I'm going to be defining all of the terms that you need to know for fractions. So let's go. Okay, so there are 8 terms and you need to know what all of them mean. The 8 terms that you need to know are numerators, denominators, proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed numbers, equivalent fractions, reciprocals, and the simplest form. Okay, so what is a numerator? Well, a numerator is the number on the top half of the fraction. Similarly, the denominator is the number on the lower half of the fraction. A proper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is less than the denominator, so the equivalent number is less than 1. For example, 3/5, which is equivalent to 0.6, which is less than 1. An improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator, so the equivalent number is 1 or greater. For example, 5/4, which is equivalent to 1.25, which is greater than 1. It is said to be top heavy and can also be written as a mixed number. So what is a mixed number? Well, a mixed number is an expression containing a whole number and a proper fraction. For example, 1¼ which can also be written as the improper fraction 5/4, which is equal to 1.25. And then next up, we've got equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions are 2 fractions that mean the same thing. For example, 1/2 or 4/8, which both equal 0.5. It can be good to think of a fraction like the numerator divided by the denominator. For example, 4 divided by 8, which equals 0.5, and 1 divided by 2, which also equals 0.5. Now, penultimately, we've got the reciprocal of a number. The reciprocal of a number is just 1 divided by that number. Now, for a fraction, you just swap the numerator and the denominator. For example, the reciprocal of 3/5 is just 5/3. You just swap the 3 and the 5. Okay, finally, what is the simplest form? Well, the simplest form of a fraction is when the numerator and the denominator have no common factors. They are both as small as they can be. For example, 6/11. 6 and 11 have no common factors, so you can't divide each by the same number, and they are as small as they possibly can be. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. This is unfortunately the end of today's video, but you can check out Class Ninjas for loads more resources, and I hope to see you again very soon.